Hi, it's me, Shane, again from Dekiru English Academy with another slideshow for you. Boo, 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 boo. Do you remember if there's one, there is a. More than one, there are some. But what about like water? How do you count water? One water? Two waters? There are some waters? Many waters? No. So water, you can't count. So, for that case, we say there is some. There is some water. Other things you can't count. There is some water. There is some rice. There is some rain. There is some smoke. Sorry. There is some smoke. There is some wood. There is some butter. There is some time. And everyone's favorite, there is some homework. So you can't count those. Remember, if you can count, there is one, there are a couple, there are a few, there are a lot. But if you can't count, we count like this. There is a little water. There is some water, and there is a lot of water. Okay? Food. How much food is there? There's a little food. Sunlight. There is some sunshine. Homework. Wow, all those books. There is a lot of homework. Oh no. So what about this? How much rice is there? There's a little rice. Music. You can't count music. There is some music. Wow, look at all the cheese. There is a lot of cheese. That's good. A little, some, and a lot. Okay, that's all. Very short and easy lesson for you. So thank you. I'm Shane from Dekiru English Academy, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.